Hey there, let's be real. Losing weight can feel like one of the hardest things ever. You try diet after diet, maybe even skip meals or spend hours working out, and still nothing seems to work. It's frustrating, exhausting, and honestly, kind of discouraging. That's exactly why I wanted to hop on and share something that's been making a big difference for a lot of people. It's called Mitolyn, and if you're curious, I've already linked the official website down in the description so you can check it out while you listen. It's the only place to grab the real deal, take advantage of any discounts, and get the money back guarantee too. Okay, so here's the deal. Mitolyn isn't another crash diet or quick fix fat burner. It's a natural dietary supplement designed to improve your mitochondrial function, which, in simple terms, helps your body turn the food you eat into energy more efficiently. And when your metabolism is working better, that's when the fat starts to go. The formula is made with natural ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola, amla, theobroma cacao, and a few other plant-based powerhouses. Together, they help rev up your metabolism, boost your energy levels, and even support focus and endurance. People are also noticing improvements in mood, reduced fatigue, and fewer cravings, which makes sticking to a healthy lifestyle feel so much easier. And here's something I love. Mitolyn doesn't rely on synthetic chemicals or harsh stimulants. It's totally non-GMO, soy-free, dairy-free, and made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility right here in the USA. It's safe, it's clean, and it works with your body, not against it. You only need to take one capsule a day with water, which is perfect if you've already got a busy routine. No complicated instructions, no meal replacements, just simple, natural support to help you reach your goals. And if you're still on the fence, no worries, Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it, see how you feel, and if it's not for you, full refund, no questions asked. Just a heads up though, there's often a limited time offer running on the official site, so if you're thinking about trying it, this is probably the best time to do it. That link in the description will take you straight there. Alright, that's it from me today. If you've been feeling stuck in your weight loss journey, Mitolyn might just be that extra support you need to finally start seeing progress and feel amazing while doing it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.